Hey ladies, it's Deanna from thelivefitgirls.com, and today we are doing a 15-minute booty lift workout using a booty band. I'm using a medium booty band, but you can use whatever works for you. Remember, listen to your body. This 15-minute workout is part of a little series that I'm doing to prove to you that you can get an amazing workout in just a short period of time. I know we're all busy, and not having time is not an excuse. You can find 15 minutes somewhere within the day to get in an amazing workout if you're focused and you have a targeted workout. This series is part of a series that's going to be on the blog as well as on my app, The Fitness Collective, that has over 150 full-length follow-along workouts just like this, and most of them are right around 30 minutes. It's amazing, and there's a 2-week free trial down below just for you. Let's start with a little warm-up. We're going to put the band just above the knees and start with a few squats to get going. So band comes just above those knees, and then from here we're going to do some squats. Do whatever feels right with those hands. You can do a prisoner position, hands on the hips so they can kind of move with you. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. You lower it down, come up, center, out, up and center. So weight in the heels here. Start to think of the core engaged. The chest is staying nice and lifted. Down, power up through the backs of those legs. You've got it. Down, press it up and squeeze. Squeeze the booty at the top. Make sure you have tension on that band the whole time, even at the top through the center there. You still want tension on that band. That's what's gonna get those muscles working today. Down and up, down and up. Nice job, ladies. 4 more on each side here. Chest up, shoulders back, core strong, back flat. 3, 2 more each side. Good, 1 more each side. Come on up, widen those feet. Now just straight into a squat, you go down and up. Down and up, nice. So a nice little booty burnout. Again, this workout can be done either after a workout, another workout for a little booty burnout, or you can do this workout by itself. We are able to get a good workout in no matter what, even if it's just 15 minutes. You just gotta be focused on really working those muscles and keep moving the entire 15 minutes. You can do it. Down and up. Nice. So no rest today. We're gonna zip right through it nice and quick. You've just got 5 more. Power and squeeze. Press through those heels. Here's 3, 2, last one. Now lower it down, hold it right here. Now open those knees out for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and up. Woo! All right, let's bring it on down to our mat. Those legs should be nice and warm by now. All right, booty bridges. Knees and feet are about hip distance apart right here, arms long by your side. Lift those hips up in 3, 2, 1. You lift down. The core is just as tight as those glutes. Lift and lift. Squeeze those hip bones together, finding those pelvic floor muscles and low abs. Squeeze the rib cage together, feeling those upper abs, that kind of corset feeling in your spine and torso. And then really squeeze those booty cheeks. Make sure those knees stay in alignment here. Lift, lift, you got it. 4, 3, 2, last one, hold it right here. Now drop the hips down an inch, pulse it up. 10, 9, 8, 7. Really squeeze those glutes, squeeze the abs. 2, 1, hold it right here. Now open those knees out for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bring it all the way back down. All right, come on up. We're coming over onto all 4s here. All right, so getting into a little bit of hydrants out to the side. You have that band still just above those knees. Hands come right underneath those shoulders. You're gonna bring just that one knee out to the side, staying on one side here. So you're gonna open and then down. Now you keep a 90-degree bend in that knee, and you're just opening the knee out to the side, trying to keep your shins about parallel to each other. It doesn't have to be a very big movement. I want you to focus more on squeezing that booty cheek that you're working, finding the core to help balance you, so you shouldn't be shifting your weight to the supporting side here, and you should be getting a little bit of arm work too, always. I always sneak things in here, just for you. All right, squeezing to lift. We're almost there. We're gonna do tiny little pulses. In 5, 4, pulse it out in 3, 2, last one, hold it right here. Little pulses up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down, all the way over to that other side. Here we go, right away. 3, 2, 1, open and down. Open and down. Again, find your core before you even begin. Flat back here. Look about 1 foot in front of those hands, keeping your neck in alignment. Shoulders away from your ears. Squeezing that booty cheek to lift it out to the side. There should be a little extra weight in that one single arm side so that you're not shifting into your supporting side here. Tightening through the core here, squeeze to open. Again, we have those pulses again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold it, little pulses, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, think of your form. We just have 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Whew. All right, shake out those wrists a little bit. We are going to get into a little bit more booty work, but we're gonna shift the band to come down right around where the shoelaces are and the arch of your foot is. So you just bring that band down a little bit. All right, so make sure you have it nice and flat here before we get going. And you wanna make sure that you keep the foot flexed here so that you have that band always against your foot. We're gonna do little kickbacks here. So you're gonna press it back and then in. So use that first side again. Here we go. We press and in. Press and in. So that bottom foot should still be flexed here, holding that band. The working leg is pressing through the heel to really press into that band. Shoulders away from the ears, press. Press, you've got it. Press. All right, we're gonna press it out and hold it in 5. Squeeze it in 4. Keep going, we got 3, 2, last one. Now, point through that foot a little bit. You're gonna lower it down and lift. Down and lift. Your band may kind of roll a little on this one. It's okay. Focus, again, more on that squeeze to lift. It doesn't have to go high. I want you to focus more on how much you can engage that muscle to lift. Core is tight. Strong through that upper body and core. Those arms, again, are getting a little workout here too. We're gonna pulse it up again in just 5, 4, 3, come on, stay strong with me too. 1, hold it right there, little pulses, 10, 9, 8, 7, all about control right here. We have 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Whoo! Shake it out a little bit, make sure everything is nice and flat before we go over to that other side. And you guessed it, right on over to that other side. All right, so flexing through that foot first, get yourself set up. Other side is working. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Press and in. Press and in. Core strong. You've got it. Shoulders out of those ears. Soft, tiny bend in those elbows, making sure you're not locking out those elbows. Press and press. Looking to the very front edge of your mat. Feeling that pelvic floor and core engagement. We're gonna hold it out straight in 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it right there, point through the toe. You're gonna lower and lift. Lower, lift. Again, I don't care how high that leg gets. I want you to focus more on that squeeze. Focus more on that stability through your upper body, through your core, through your pelvis. Don't let that hip open to lift the leg. It's just that squeeze right at the smile line of your booty cheeks and your hamstring. Keep it up, ladies. We're so close to the end here. Lift. We got 5 more and then we pulse it out. Here's 4, 3, 2 more. Last one, hold it, little pulses. 10, 9, 8, 7, keep that control. 4, 3, 2, squeeze and down. Woo! Oh my goodness, that booty is on fire, right? All right, take a little child's pose here. Toes together, knees apart. Maybe shift those hips a little. And breathe. One more breath here. And then bring it on up. All right, let's stretch it out. You can put your band off to the side. And then we're just gonna take a nice double pigeon here. So you're gonna cross one ankle to the opposite knee. Take a nice stretch, really getting that booty cheek stretched out here. If this is too much, you can do a pigeon or a figure 4 stretch laying on your back and cross that ankle to the opposite knee to bring that knee in towards the chest. Otherwise, this double pigeon will get a little deeper into those hips, but only if you have that flexibility to do so. And breathe. Take one more breath here. Nice job, ladies. Maybe hinge it forward, and then we'll switch sides. All right, crossing that ankle to the opposite knee. Remember, right and left might be a little different here. That's totally fine. And just enjoy that stretch. So again, just a reminder, you can always get an amazing workout in. It doesn't have to be an hour in the gym. You can do it in just 15 minutes. You just have to have a focus, a target, and work hard. That is what these short, quick workouts are all about. Just for you, you can get your warm up, your workout, and your cool down in just 15 minutes, I promise you. The biggest thing is you have to be consistent. And I know you can do that with these quick workouts. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.